Start recording. All right, you can see here's already something coming. Let's have a look. Look. Ah. I mean, here's what I uploaded so far. You see 381, 119, 132, 1.8 gigabyte, 1.3, small numbers. So, and I just here, like, I've got GhostBSD 26.1 XFCE, GhostBSD, the normal version is made. I've got Artix, right, Salix, Bodhi. Bodhi is also this one, the uppack. 47.5, Bodhi Legacy, a few kilobits. So MX seems to be also pretty smart, because the MX people see 1.3 gigabytes. They're also downloading by torrent. Because I think, let's use torrent, guys. I mean, first, anonymous, right? Second is, it takes the extra cost of hosting and bandwidth away from the distro people. So, as I said, if you're broke and you want to contribute something, to be honest, I'm happy like a little child when I see this. When I came back from work, I said, yeah, I got some. Because look at this. I mean, I contributed here. That's great, isn't it? I mean, honestly, that makes me happy. Antiques, they seem to have lots of money. They have downloads. The same with, what are they called? Ooh. Yeah, many others. Debian too. They don't have torrents. So MX has torrents. So I think that's pretty smart. Bodhi, of course, is pretty small. They have torrents. Linux Lite. Yeah, Linux Lite, I've got 1.8 gigabytes. So, I mean, it's a version 8. So that's 2604 Ubuntu. That will be, lots of people will not be happy. But what can you do, right? So I just don't go 2604. 2404 is the very last version I would ever take. And the same with Bookworm. Depending on the distro, I might go for Trixie and Debian, but if I can avoid it, I do. And by the way, CrashBang++, so they are uploading too by torrent. So you can see certain distros, there are certain people who actually just use torrents, which is great. Because there's yeah, Sparky Linux here. So I've got Sparky Linux, the XFCE in the mate version. There's no KDE on my watch here. Because remember, KDE says, oh no, we will not make everything with Wayland. Ah yeah, of course they do. Luckily, I'm never really interested in this. So, whatever this KDE does. So yeah, back to the video, right? So BesGNU, I think comes from BesGnuLinux. Let's fire it up. Oh. Make it big. Failsafe non. So I'm looking for this tiny. They run purely downloads through Force. What's it called? ForceNet or whatever that's called. They're very slow downloads. I mean, it seems to be the easiest if there are just a few people. Sometimes just one guy maintaining it, right? But I think I have to make a video how to make your torrents. Because once you have a torrent, then why not, right? This kernel requires 64, but only detected i686 CPU. What? Are you kidding me? This cannot be. See, this happens when when you think you can make a video. Alright, what did I do? No Linux. Oh, look at this. Dang, it went on. Yeah. See, I didn't set that. It auto. Yeah. Excuses, Dirk. There we go. Let's try it again. There we go. Yeah, I didn't set that. It auto selected it. I don't know why it went for 32-bit, but so I'm looking for these tiny distros. And to try to support them too, like Bodhi, for example. That's not the massive downloading thing, but look at that. I mean, MX and Linux Mint, they are downloading by torrents a lot. So you can see how many seeders there are. I mean, I say a lot compared with what's going on. It's very little. But just imagine if you get them all back to torrents, then that's tons of money saved. Yeah, if you have to spend all that money for hosting and bandwidth, ooh, that's a lot. So if people go back to torrents, which is more anonymous, right? Then it's not a bad idea. And it makes me happy to see when I served the people. I haven't figured out yet why some people just get a few hundred kilobits. My throttle is wide open, so I can get 20 megabytes if they need to, but never happens. I always get these tiny bits and pieces. But we'll see. I will look into this. I haven't used torrent, I must say, for a long time either. Look at that. So BAS, is there a menu? Oh, there's a menu. Okay, let's say system. Oh, what the heck? What did I do? Oh. Change time zone. Theme color. I would like changing language. You know, I'll just do this. Let's ignore this. We're just ignoring this. This is done close, no? Yeah, calamaris. That means usual. No more. Let's see it. I just for the giggles. Oh, by the way, we have tornadoes right here. Ah, yeah, there we go. English. Select storage device. Yeah, erase disk. And let's try. Let's see if that works. Right? We take something very easy here. Or it doesn't want to. Okay, it's green. Because we have to see now, as we know now, that calamaris sometimes does encrypt your hard drive and sometimes doesn't. So the reason why I got still this fun OS running here is, oh, see, it doesn't work. I have to use the keyboard on the over the letters. Boink. Oh, I didn't do it. All right. Just fields the dictionary check. It does not contain enough different characters. Okay. Oh well. Oh, I hope I can remember. I wanted a simple password, which I usually don't use, but installation failed. BesGnuLinux has not been installed on your computer. The error message: the installer failed to create partition on disk. Yeah, so I would say this has purely to do with the encryption. Let's see if I'm right. Rule number 1. Of course I'm right. There we go. There we erase disk. Doink. And now we take it easy. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, come on, guys. No. What did I do use before this one? There we go. Let's see if it does want to do it now. Yeah, it seems to be the calamaris thing, right? Oh, by the way, I have found something, and I will install this maybe next, but not right now, because this is a system we have already running, and I want to introduce some new ones. So this is also JWM, right? So if you click here, JWM window. Oh, look at that. Now I've got English. All right. Well, I fixed it. So that was an easy fix. I don't know how it worked. I think in the moment I give that here, then it just took it over. Well, works. See what you see, filling up system. That means it's working now. So it couldn't encrypt. Surprise! So, very interesting. All the regimes don't want sovereign human beings to encrypt the hard drives because they want to know absolute every breath you take, which they have no right to do so. Because who are they? Are you our mamas and papas? I did not know. So to me, they're definitely not, and all my private stuff is none of their business. And all the legislation has no meaning to me because I don't belong to them. Yeah, the land doesn't belong to them, the air doesn't belong, the water, nothing belongs to them. And the paper, the print, and you can keep printing it, and you can shuffle it somewhere else. Let's see if no, I can't go next. Yeah, of course, I knew this that I can't go next. Don't tell me I broke it. Oh, 18%. No, okay, it does CPU things here, but I don't know. Yeah, it seems to do something. It's not too bad, no? It shows you here, so that's a nice one. Oh yeah, percentage kit continues. I didn't destroy it. So that's also JWM. Based on Debian, I think sadly on Trixie, but you know, I don't know if it's on Trixie. .612. Debian 13, yeah. Alright then, so let's see what they make out of it. You know, I'm not a fan of Debian anymore. I mean, how can I say that? I'm just not fond of the absolute intolerant people who want to have absolute tolerance compared to them. And then all this discrimination going on and trying to legalize the discrimination they're doing. It's a crime. This is just what it is, right? So, but let's not carry it away because we know we're in the end times. And if I would say September, October latest, they should start the UFO stuff. They have to send a disclosure first because so that people know what to think, how to feel, how to react, right? Programming. It's a TV show, television, television, and program. Get programmed. Otherwise, you have the wrong idea. You know, you start thinking for yourself, and then you're not functioning anymore properly with all that propaganda. So, however, long story short, this is a long install. You know what I'm going to do? So you don't have to sit here with me forever and a day. We'll just let this install, and then we continue from there. Let's have a look first. I know you want to see this. Look at that. I mean, yes, see kilobits. I don't know whether I've got megabytes ready to go. Just take it. Seeds pairs 1. Fluxbox was running, look, 1.3 gigabytes. So Fluxbox took something. We have to look in that one too, I guess. Yeah. So, well, makes me happy. Because when I see these numbers going up, that makes me very, very happy, especially when these projects I do like MX. I've got a very old virtual machine with MX16 and before. I still have those guys. But alright then, you don't have to sit here and wait with me for the installation. Somehow it's pretty slow. And I'll see you in a second. Oh, look at that. Oh, now see you in a second. So, it is like there was no time going by. Look, now I can't do anything here. Do it now. Oh, restart. Oh dear me. Is there any off switch? Oh yeah, here's an off switch. Let's try it like this then. Switch, shut down. Because I couldn't click on this menu anymore. Don't know why. So, well, at least you saw the atrocities I have to fight here. Remove. Bye-bye. So, nothing bad should be happening because we go now here, see if it is removed. Storage, empty, wonderful. Then here we fire it up again. Yeah, we are recording. There we go. So let's see how that goes. Looks already different. Possible. It's not possible. It's a virtual machine, guys. So yeah, we do have to install then the VirtualBox guest ISO file. I mean, I downloaded it yesterday, so now it should be easy. I can just insert it, run it in this virtual machine, and then I've got everything available. That takes a long time, doesn't it? Sadly, I can't just pause it here for you guys. Oh, something's happening. I didn't do it, and you can't prove it. Oh, here we go. Now I can use my keyboard on the right side. What? Oh yeah, here. We had that before, right? That they force you to do certain things. So all we do is system. Oh no, look at this. I've got this language thing. Packet Guru. Okay, system. Here we go again. Where's my terminal? Here we go. So sudo password. Oh. Ach. Oh dear me. New password. You see? Now I can. And successful. See, now I don't have to remember this weird password. Home contact system, update system information. Let's have a look what it shows. System, blah blah blah. Innotech, VirtualBox, active tools, course 4. Okay, so what we got to do is, I see that already. We have to insert guest addition. And we go back in. Shoot. Oh, I didn't do it. Ah. Whew. My heart stood still. Can I close it? I can close it. Oh, I could even kill it. Did you see that? That's power. VBox guest. So that's how I do it. You know, I'm the lazy guy. I just mark it, copy. Then if I ever find my terminal, doesn't matter where I open it, right? So I go CD, and then I paste this. Doink. Then I click. Then I'm in it, and then I do ls because I'm still lazy. Then I mark the run thingy here. Oh, one more. You can do it. There we go. Copy. Then I do sudo. That's what I had to do in body. Then I do // paste. Oh my! Now I can put my easy password in. You see, there we go. It's a virtual machine. Oh dear me. I had to use, it didn't change it. Oh well, I had to use my weird password. Good, I still remembered. Installing additional modules. So, interesting theme. Oh, look at this. There we go. It worked. But having said this, what I do now is, when this is done, I save it right away. If I find the settings. So, there we go. Application. Desktop setting, no? Application. System. So I've got English again here. Where are the graphics? No. Settings. Desktop. Where are monitors? Monitor settings. Yeah, okay, it's just finished. Is it not opening? Turn on. Apply. And then save it. Configuring saved. So I hope this is doing it now. I mean, optical, I like it, right? I mean, I like that super bird here. And as long as it's not, what's it called, AI, then I'm really, really happy. I mean, look at this. Yeah, the gear is up and the flaps are up too. Off it goes. So, best tools. So, doesn't look too bad, no? I mean, this is JWM. Create link launcher. URL link, create folder. So, if I have this, for example, here, and I go here, and no, file manager. See what I've done with my, that's the document. So what did I do? I moved it over here, hold the right A, link here, see? So I can make a link. Alright, that's what I did. I said PCman FM. Sooner. So you see, that's why I was wondering why it did not work with Sooner on my Fun OS. But it worked with PCman FM, so I don't really care, it works. That's the most important part to me. BesGNU, BesJWM. Okay, that's just Linux. That's specific for JWM, add to panel startup. I mean, the problem we see already, panel control, you see this is, I'm almost fading out. Panel position, move taskbar to the bottom. No, move the taskbar to the top position. That's how it is supposed to go. See? Oh, is that good, isn't it? So, now we can breathe. Okay. If you ever wonder when you have it like this and you can't grab it, you use the left Alt button and left click on the mouse, and then you can move it even if you can't get the top bit, right? But I think you knew it. Even works here. See, wherever you grab, as long as you hold the Alt button. So, just in case you get stuck. Alrighty, what do we have? Internet is here. Time is okay. Yeah, works. And 1704. See, that's pretty nice. Of course, they made a huge mistake, atrocity, to put the panel on the bottom, but well, we all learned once, right? Calculator, Alex terminal, touchpad indicator, no. Oh, okay, very funny. Enabled, okay. What does it do? I declare that there are no mice plugged in. Ooh, no. Okay, so this is helping you out in case you don't have a mouse, I guess. I don't know. So, I have to look into it. Best tools. Alarm warning, up image package. Ooh, package manager. Look, up image. This is good. Package manager. Up image package update. Up image repository manager. This is good. I like it. Up image download. Let's see what it does. So, yes, up image GitHub. So this is good. I like up images. The only thing is, I wish there would be a search function. But there is no search function, right? So, can I do it with Control F? Oh yeah, let's see. Torrent. Torrent tools, command line tool, nah. Creating and editing BitTorrent meta files, that's of course good, but I don't want to have. That's the only thing they have? Nothing happening? Ooh, look at the enhanced. That is good. With this little thing here, you can actually literally. How do I download this up image? Ooh, I didn't do it, and you can't prove it. The system made a mistake, so I couldn't scroll down, download. We'll just do that. So with that, you can create your own torrents. Ah, look at that here, up image. It's 8664 up image. I'll just use that. I'm going to do it. Downloads. That is neat. So I like that already. No? Not bad, guys, isn't it? And while we're here, why not use that too? So the only thing I have to do now is I have to share the folder like I usually do. This is neat. I like it. I really do. So if I go backwards, there we are, back here. Oh, look at this. This goes opposite. If I scroll down, it goes up. Oh, this is a disaster. How can they do that? That's almost worse than. Yeah. It's almost worse than putting the panel on the bottom. Panel on the bottom is still the worst, but where do we set? I need to fix this. System settings. Advanced network. No. Customers look and feel. Desktop power. Print settings. The tuner preference definitely not, no? Yeah, so I don't know where they do. Accessories work, look. Yeah, I don't know where you put this scrolling in. Look and feel. Color icon, mouse cursor, font, others. No. I would have to Google for it, right? So in a moment I have to take it on the chin. I know I suffer a lot, but we will see what we can do. But this is great, isn't it? I mean, they thought what I was thinking, up images, and download as much. If you just think you might maybe one day need it, then just get it. Right? Why not? So then you have, because one day they come with here, I don't know, they have to take a blood test before you can download something. Not that they own it, because as much as I know, this is all bought by tax money. Virtual machine. ISO password. Oh, that's bestimmt, is definitely box or something, word manager, I don't know. But I will play around. I mean, guys, we got to play around with that, right? Download everything. What do I get? The whole internet. If I click on it, I get the whole internet. Oh, do me. I don't want to have everything. I don't want KDE. I don't want to have systemd. I don't want to have Wayland. I don't want to have Rust in a kernel. And I mean, GNU tool. Yeah, let's not think about it. Create desktop file. What does that mean? Oh, yeah. A launcher. Okay. Different names. Local translation. Oh, it's translating it. Alarm warning. Add key, add to panel. Startup settings. Look at this. Here we might find the scrolling. Change keyboard language. No. Windows bottom keys. Send to desktop window control. Is scrolling there in it? Startup. Did it? Okay, yeah, no, that doesn't do anything what I want. The scrolling. Yeah, I think I clicked a little bit too much. The system made a mistake. Activate tool. What's activate? What tools? Battery, desktop, network, intro, play control, show usage system, info, dual monitor, select intro music. No. Yeah. Well, one day I'm going to find. Look at that, how many I have. And look, right-clicking. Information. Application, settings, advanced. Shouldn't it be somewhere here? I have to figure this out where this is with the scrolling. Brave browser, this is definitely a good thing. Well, I mean, we have to take what we can, right? What is good. GW Leechbit as root. Desktop setting range, desktop icon, and okay. VBox. VirtualBox. Oh, so this thing, virtual machine, does that create? No, this is the. Okay, so that it was not in it anymore. Well, let's see. At least when I click left, then I would like to see. I have here always my Suno or my PC Mine. Of course, you need that. File manager is a thing you need all the time. Where will it be? In system? Oh, no. Accessories? Suno. See, you always need that in your right click because look, I feel so lost. VBox. Okay, now it's gone. It shouldn't have been there because we checked VirtualBox, right? And we said it's gone. Well, so we have this. So definitely a good thing to. Yeah, I'm intrigued. So they did a good job here too. They have lots of functions and menus. So best root, font manager, group control memory usage, update the system. Oh yes, you have update system, third-party software. Flatpak, okay. I mean, yeah, why not, right? As long as not Flatpak 2, total Rust. QM player, simple X, that is a good chat. So this is again, this simple X is what I really recommend too, Tor browser, because you don't have a username, no phone number, no identification if you don't want to. Because why would you? Steam, touchpad indicator, yeah, Telegram, it's not encrypted. Single conversation, yes, group is not, don't fall for it. Waterfox, let's see, Oracle VM VirtualBox, look at this, I do have it. Wine, XN, I want to have a glass of wine, so then, but well, can't have it. TeamViewer, Tor browser, Spotify, Tor browser is good. Pale Moon, also good, I used Pale Moon. Iron web browser, Ooh, Beryllium, Helium. They have quite a few browsers here, I must say. Simple X, this is really, really good. Liquor kernel, Microsoft. Ooh, this needs, can you delete this? No, because that needs to be gone. You cannot have Microsoft Office here, that is a disgrace. Alright. APN converter? Well, why not? It's interesting, no? So they have quite a few things. BesJWM, GNU/Linux, the normal stuff, and the root things. Well, group management means your group most likely. So that's pretty good. I like it. I like the picture. Let's see what else they have. Desktop settings is there. Oh yeah, look at this. So the bird, I like it. The trees look artificial to me. Where is the bird? I want to see it. See, oh yeah, because I have to scroll the upside. The opposite. That's a bird. Now let's see what that is. Yeah. I mean, the sprayed sky, you see no natural cloud, as usual. That looks artificial. I don't know. What is that? UFOs. Yeah, that would be the place for me. Screw them all. I'm sitting there all by myself. Get in the morning my fish for lunchtime. Yeah. That looks weird. Is that for real? I don't know. Yeah, there's nothing better than a road. I think we take that, because that's very, very nice. Menus, file launcher, icons, keyboard shortcuts. I haven't found the scrolling thing yet. That's a little bit annoying. Oh, desktop settings. Is it in desktop settings? Menus, file launcher, icons? No. Change the background. I will find it. I could Google, but that's not what I want now. So, and look, memory is still hanging out on 380, even though I did already a lot. Do they have HTOP or something? No, not that I can see it. Oh, why could I not change my password? See, I still have that old password. You know what? We try it again here with the terminal. Sudo password. And just in case. I might have made a mistake. Of course I did. Alright. Wonder if that works now. What's what I wanted? HTOP you said, no? BTOP is good too. I think people will change to BTOP now. Can do both. Where's HTOP? Oh, BPyTOP. Ooh. I mean, the system made a mistake. See, I can open that. HTOP, here we go. BTOP, just for in case. So let's see if they have Stego suite. Yes, they do. Yeah, if you watched my videos, you know you need that. You never know. So here we go. The dynamic menu is forming. Okay, I like the schnick snack. No, it's not bad. Look. So it did all the menu already. So accessories, touchpad, Conky control. I can't see Conky, which is good too, I guess. Add to panel, panel control, best root, development, games. Oh, New York, you can play now with normal robots. They run around. There are these Docker robots. System HTOP. Failed to launch preferred application for category terminal emulator. Okay. I can help you. There we go. 476, and yeah, okay, it's 476 here now too. Oh, the welcome is still open. Adjust screen resolution, system update, enable tool system font, change scrolling. No, it's not here. Okay. Yeah, because I open things now, they get cached, and then it shows, of course, more memory uses. Yeah, it's dropping here, 379. What? The terminal takes so much? 395. Yeah, it takes something, but not too much. Did I install BTOP? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oops. Well, I wish they would have Libre org. Ex Libre, right? That would be good. Well, it's more than a year old now, isn't it? Or how many years? I think it's a year. That's good. Love it. It was a very good idea. I'm very happy people start taking action and stopping the destruction of Linux. I mean, they can delay, they can't stop it because all the base versions going down the drain. That's why I feel sorry for all the good distros, like even the little distro here. If the base is turning into rubbish, then what can they do? Well, they can still change, right? To Slackware. I mean, Solos, I don't know if they go self-destruct. I mean, if they take the GNU tools with Rust later, then, well, we'll see. So this is it for now. So I'm still at education is hopeless for me. Best route. Accessories, program name, blah, 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 blah. Vim, oh, it's called Nano. Dang it. How can they use Vim? Dear me. Program, oh yeah. Desktop, 1, 2, send to, shade, size, move. Sticky, close the window, kill the window, refresh the window. User menus, yeah, you can do your own thing here. Yeah, it has to be in the right click here, but it's not. That's a disaster. Go to network. Do we have a network? Browser network. Browser failed. So what we can try is to see if we can do something. Let's see, we use another 5. Okay, let's say this did not work. Yeah. Yeah, did not work. So usually if you install Gigolo, you should get it all. Should we try? But then I got to stop this here because I don't want to make that video follow for far too long. It's an update. Look. So because I'm the lazy guy, instead of figuring failed, look at this. I changed the password on the terminal, but they still make a difference here. Oh. No. Okay. The system made a mistake. What is what I wanted to look for? What was it? Oh. See, now my brain is frozen. Yeah, I can't check the video because so my password, my thought train is gone. We wanted to try something. Well, it's gone now. System bleach with H upload. Yeah, it's gone. I don't know anymore. Okay, then we don't have it. In a moment I click off this video, then I remember. Yeah, what was it what I wanted? I know, you guys know I don't. It's gone now. There was something I wanted to install quickly. Okay, then we don't install it quickly. It comes back. But look, 352, so it's dropping it nicely. It's not caching it all, so I love it. Let's yeah, it's in the back head telling me something. Sooner file, bleach bit, general information, system. Let's try htop one more time. Ah yeah, okay, it did not work. Not new window. Terminal here. Yeah, my brain is frozen. Yeah, okay, you see this is a cache version. It shows you it's a cache, and this shows you what it really is. So that could be conky. I don't know. So here see it says 437, here it says 369. So it's depending if you see the numbers with cache or without, no? So yeah, I forgot what I wanted, and definitely when I set this video up, then I know exactly what I wanted. Add to menu. Let's see if I can get Delusion. See, that's what I used, the torrent. Htop is here, but it doesn't work, we know. Where's Sooner? Nibbles. What is special? Oh, come on, guys. Alright, I most likely have to do my own thing like I usually do. Alright, I'm getting out of here now. So, oh, look at this. Not bad, isn't it? Dark look. Hibernate, reboot, lockout, light lock. What's a light lock? Shut it down. Alright. So, pretty neat, no? I must say. I'm very intrigued with BesGnuLinux. I mean, here, all I got to do is, I have already here my BesGnuLinux. See, how do I have it? Sooner. Is that Sooner? Yeah, no? Yeah. So let me see if I go here. Alt. No, it doesn't want it. And if I use... Ah, okay. No, they don't want it. See, here it doesn't work. Ah, I know what I wanted. Okay. You know, guys, while we're here, we do it again, because it should fire up pretty quick, right? Shouldn't it? Oh, I got stuck here. So I'm waiting for the tornadoes to come in. Hopefully not. So I walk my little dog now, before it all goes ballistic here. And I got tons of plants and everything from the garden, what's in pots. I have it inside now. Let's see if I get the screen size I wanted. I mean, I saved it. I said apply. So it's an interesting distro, isn't it? I mean, it's based on Trixie, so... Oh, look at that. But, I mean, we're not giving up yet. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I changed the password. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. I mean, it did weird stuff, but it did it. Pretty good. So, now we have to just go back here. Applications, Synaptics. Whoop. Gigolo. See, I told you, photographic memory. Gigolo. I don't know if I spelled it right. There it is. So I just do it like this. Doink. Then apply. And what that does, it installs usually the whole Samba stuff. And then we should have in Sooner our network. For now, I must say, I like the look and feel. The icons are good. I didn't have this. It's a look on it tells you what it's doing, so that's nice. That's very neat. Ah, yeah. See, I want to open Sooner, so I'm so used to open Sooner just the easy way, but I can't have it, of course. Cool. Browse network. See, now we have a network. Is it doing something? Not yet. Oh. Network again. So what we just do then, we go like this. Zit. We go SMB. 1, 2, 3. Then we go on. And then we do anonymous. Well, Yeah, that worked. Huh? Pretty nice. Yeah, see, I'm always want to open the file manager here. That's it must be in a right-click available, not like this that I have to search for it. See, that's frozen. Or that could be that my server has to spin up. 168, 68, 195. It should show up now, but well, what can we do? Ah, there, you see, it opened up. It took a while because all the hard drives are sleeping. And here we go. Here it is. See? I like the icon. I think it's pretty neat. Well done, I must say. BesGnuLinux. You did a good job here. I like it. Yeah. And you see now we have see the right click. That's a disaster, of course. I should have fixed that. I have to fix it on my own then. Sooner file manager. What's what I wanted to do? Ah yeah, I want to see now if I go to network. Browse network. No, doesn't want to do it. But it's not a big deal. And with Gigolo, application, where would it be? System, there it is. See, with Gigolo, you can do like this, then you can say action, connect, disconnect, bookmark. Open in terminal, copy, create bookmark. See, that is do. We just do nothing. And that should work, I hope. No, must be a share. Then we called it ISOs. Okay, so now we have it here. Action, bookmark, do ISO. Torrent, I mean it's already here. So if you really want it, but you can bookmark it here now too, then you have it anyway, right? At bookmark, there it is. And then we just rename the shortcut, also do ISO. So now here you can do it like this. That's what I usually do. Then, oh no, properties. Okay, no, so back to here. So now I go to this. See, now I've got everything here. Now I bookmark this. Add bookmark. Now I call it only duo because that's what it is. My server, duo, finished. This is it. So now if I click somewhere and I click here, I've got always all my shared folders. So pretty neat, no? So this is not a big deal. You see, if it doesn't come, maybe they have a firewall. Application, accessories, that should be in a system firewall, right? Bit accessories. No, that could be in the tools. Can't see firewall. Best root, that should be firewall. Then update third party, blah 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 blah. No, 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 no. Edit system. Clean the cache directory, remove download packages, remove unnecessary. Not bad, right? Yeah. Okay, so they do have quite some stuff going on here, so I'm very, very interested. Unmount volume. Yeah, so that's definitely something to look into that too. Because FunOS is running on Ubuntu, and I'm on 24.04 with my FunOS, I think. And this is Trixie 13, so yeah. Well, you know, file system. Network. No, it doesn't want to, but look, if I go on do, there they are. So it works. So that's how you do it. I mean, who has more than 5 or 6 servers, right? So you do it 5 or 6 times, and then you got all your server available. So not a big deal. What is that? Gigolo. Okay, it's still running. Quit. It's gone. It's gone. That shouldn't make any difference here. See, if I go here, yeah, still there. It's just Gigolo installs all that, and you can, I mean, do your bookmarks in Gigolo too if you want it like that. So not a big deal. It's all nice. I mean, you do it one time, right? It's like with the menu. If I would copy my menu over here, let's have a look. So if I, so we go view, hidden files. Go in the home folder. It's usually in config, right? IceWM would be here, but JWM should be here in the config. There it is, you see? Desktop, buttons, trace, groups, menu. Open with Brave, yeah, for sure. And there it is. Here are your menus. Separator, root menu, separator, home, home, config, up menu, wine menu. I don't know, have to look into this. Tray, that would be the menu, desktop in it. User menu, let's see what that is. Oh, mousepad, here we go. Access mousepad. No, it's not here either. I don't know. Use a little sooner. Where is that menu? Just menu. I don't know. It's a bit weird. Bezo user menu. Okay, Bezo menu. So they have changed a little bit here, right? Did they? Desktops, button, commands, conc, trace, up menu. Yeah, that's something then. Let's have a one. That's the one. Up menu. Okay, they call it up menu. I don't know if mine's up menu called. But you see, they have all the menus. They did all the hard work. So instead of replacing then this file with my file, I would just copy out what I want. Let's say if I want to have not in a root, label not, accessories, utilities, application. Oh, look at this. I can roll down here and roll up. Okay, now it works. Label setting, application systems, bleach bit, no. Office. Yeah, I can just make a menu here and I don't know. Yeah, I have to play around with it. That will definitely be interesting because once you know how it works, it's easy to do. Did you see this? I could all of a sudden scroll up and down. Normal. User menu. Mousepad. See what's okay. Yes, accessories, text editor, label text. Add to menu. System file manager, of course not here. Where are then the menus? Commands. Groups menu. Okay, that's a bit complicated. It's not as easy as my JWM file. Well, definitely interesting. Yeah, definitely interesting. Win menu. Window close, forward label, move, desktop label, icon, sticky zoom. Well, I think that's this one here, right? I don't know. Alright, however, so yeah, Gigolo worked, of course it did. Best tools. Yeah, okay. I download everything. I don't want to download the whole internet, but you see, it goes under this underneath the panel. But it's not a big deal, right? We click the left Alt button and then we can grab it here and move it around where we want. So, but it just shouldn't go down underneath. Alright, this is it, guys. I call it now a day and a night. Here we have now 1738. Oh, look at this. Now this is better, no? I like it like that. Click. Off you go. Definitely interesting. I need far more laptops. Yeah, I would think. Do I kick this off? No, because this does everything I want. It looks a little bit weird. It has lots of things. That's my menu. This is from the menu which was there. Do I need it? I want it. Because I still have space. It's all good. Right? I could take B-top and H-top out. And I could make small menus if I want to, but in the moment I just like it as is. But definitely good. Bodhi is not my thing. It takes time to get used to it with Bodhi. That's for sure. Alright, how long is that video now? What? 55 minutes? Oh, that's a long time. I don't think anybody's watching like that. However, for those who watch, kudos. You're not a victim of the TikTok swipe, swipe, swipe. I wish you all a good time, a good day, and I hope this video was not too bad, that you had a nice cup of coffee watching it, and that was at least entertaining, no? Okay, see you in the next time. Bye-bye.